Now, your foundation is set with remote selling. 7S, di ba? How do you now start generating revenue? So, pag wala ka talagang revenue, hahanap ka ng new customer segments. You cannot just rely on your repeat customers. That's why you have to go through our sales funnel or sales cycle.
100 web, you just can't stop. Work is love made visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning, team engagement, and our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work.
Again, and lead generation during this time, I believe, is should be a lot easier to do. Sabi ko nga, this crisis time is ripe for lead generation. Bakit? People have more free time nowadays. We save some time on commute. There is some downtime at work. Ay harapin natin yon. And the free time that they have, they are connected. Even you're on your phone, you're always connected. They are in front of gadgets because they're working from home. They have connections with LinkedIn and social media. They are on their emails. And people are generally willing to help others during this time of crisis without the product pushing, the strong product push. O sabi ko nga, in the LJMB team, a key game changer is how we really utilize digital, online, and virtual. We have to even boost our posts and make our presence felt in Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram here. So ayan, yung mukha ko, yung mga webinars, shots, posters namin, talagang very heavy kami sa marketing, sa FB. Of course, the Jay cannot do this kaya meron silang standard marketing activities. Lead generation, especially nowadays, is online. Tatalo na ako dun sa online. Ha? Of course, you have to measure lead quantity and quality. Pero ang point natin dito, before, the sources are really more offline. Ngayon, online talaga. So maybe directing this more to John, na online talaga, John. Hanggat stuck at home tayo, online talaga ang ating mga lead sources. You have to even get out of your products and services. Baka kailangan magsulat tayo ng blogs. Baka we have to draw attention to our website for them to visit us. How do we draw attention to our website? Maybe promote your website on your social media accounts. But you have to offer something of value. Magsulat tayo, tapos yung article na yan, yung maikli vlog na yan, so they can have access, may sign up so that they can share their email addresses. Did you know that we collected around 3,000 email addresses in the past 6 weeks of doing webinars? And those 3,000 email addresses are our leads. And we send mailers to this. Serious talaga ako regardless of industry. HMO insurance, tinuturuan ko na mag-webinar. Okay? Because whether B2C or B2B, a webinar is education focused. It is non-threatening. Even your business client, B2B clients will say yes to a free webinar if it adds value to them. Tapos doon ka magpasok ng selling opportunities. As compared to not doing anything during this time of the pandemic.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar. And to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.